Looking good, looking lovely. Why do you always catch me at bad time? It was so yum. So yum, what's up guys? Beautiful skies and everything. Whew, tired. So finish. I need to
either move it or cut it in half. I think I can just cut the tip because there's a pathway there to the apple tree. Let's see here. Yeah, it's definitely in the way. So I'm gonna need to cut that, but I'm not cutting the rest. Just gonna shove it off the land. I cannot be bothered. I cannot. This is way too much energy. I'm gonna do the smaller bits and then so I'm gonna do those 4 small parts and the other 2 a different day. Or maybe I do the one there too. So 5 small parts and then to the and then that. Then to the river. Oh, the smoke. It's fire. Whew. It's weird. Yeah. I've been bit by a couple of these today. It's not pleasant at all. I think this is should be dry. Yeah. That was easy. Oh, good. Sucks, but I have to go. Oh, I think a lizard was trying to climb me a second ago. Alright, so this, because that's the fence. Hold on. A bit sweaty. So that's the fence. So these need to go. But they're very hard, let's say. So yeah, let's get back to work. Don't really have any. Let me see if I can use this. Repurpose this. Road clear. Actually even better than before because now, hold on. Let me take the clothes off. Yeah. So So that's what I did. I need to cut this more, but honestly, I'm tired. I guess I could take that one off, that one, so I can move it, but I might need help. Either that or I cut it, but I have help up there, so let me. That's pure mud. Let's go this way. Alright. Yo. So I got. Left or right? Left or right? I got be a mud. Yeah, man, the gas smells to them ripe. Gas smells to them ripe. Yeah, man, a proper apple there, man. Or is it? Oh. Alright, done for the day. Down the river. It's still there. We go across the bridge, but that cause it mash up. You clean up. Hello.
River problem is
Have a come out.
different one.
What?
How is
Is it deep enough? Fish in there, man. The last time, yeah, because the whole yesterday full of stuff, full of debris. Could be. That rain never falls, but not right now, right now. Yeah, man, train is running. Just let it stop, so. Yeah, still I run on fly stone. Cause inconvenience. Thank you. We're going to the river. Which other one? Ugh. No, we are drive. It kind of look like it look like it's sitting there use a tattoo and line up to primary school. Cashew. Eh? What down there? They sell food and stuff. Don't know what it is. I want to come here. Fuck, yeah.
That's in there, do.
What? Oh, for crap's sake, somebody not want to capture her.
You not pick jelly. No, I say dark skin out of that.
How are you, Ready?
On a clean door. Clean door.
You know, I bathe a lot.
They say food, they sell food over there?
Yeah. Very
Expensive?
Very expensive.
A tourist spot, you know? You like it for me? Eh? You like it for me? You have to go things out there? Yeah. I think you know son already. I think you said $2,000 make me lucky. Well, it's not like all different door.
Oh, next one, it's a good.
We're going to be lucky.
It's scary, what about?
Watch it.
Yeah. No? Yeah? I don't know. Right like down at the other part.
Pretty part. There's a pretty done on this one.
Depends on who you ask. I'm only done stupid. Yeah, I have a money to jump out of the water just to get away from me. You know?
None of them jump over in there. Look at that. Nice size.
And the only one we are on the nice side is the one you just showed me now. Yeah, I know what about this. Ah, that's not a big one. Well, big enough. Yes. Oh. Somerset Falls. Oh, we're down at the bottom, down at the bridge.
I'm not about the debris them.
Ah, worry about that. It kind of changed up that since the last time, but we're not swim right at the edge. Don't be weird. Yeah, you can swim, come back up. But we don't reach in the water. Are that type problem? You love sit down though. Just let me did. No more from no more to more frying. You know. Just kill me, Jack. I saw some big man pick up. I said, go. You could even carry on come. And does it climb more? And you know what to do with them? I guess you can sit down as a job. I don't have a problem, you know. Probably I could go back up with you. Well, technically we're not going to this one. Yes, in this. And I think we have to do this. Alright, that's how we come now.
Start crossing the road like over corner.
Come here, sir. You see? May I look? May I look? I'm looking. I'm looking. I said there are more stone last time. Well, more sand. Alright, we'll go back up. Hey, Sassy? Up to you, know. Can miss him anyway. Alright, yes, so then. Gonna get shade. Yeah. Hello, yes, look. Alright, come on, go up a bit more. Yes, it kind of look like it. Come on, go more. Does it look like you don't scratch?
Praise the Lord. It will.
Sure. Your brittle skin. Get out, start. What? Alive?
Yeah, I'm alive. You look at what they do.
No, but we can't go back in the car for the spear. I thought we have the spear in the car. Get you. No, sir, I'm only them there wireless thing for in a Godland. Oh? Oh, DJ. You no call me not too long. And you who? I say, oh, a freak. Hey. Yeah, G, man. You alone have that.
Cool and nice.
Thank you. I'm not here about you. Can't tourists, I know about you. Oh. Yeah, man, I'm my son. Move fast. My forward or my forward? Watch ya. Brand new tattoo. Looking like our old craft.
Where?
There, everywhere. What kind of bullshit on your chest? Watch ya. How about that? Me can't read. Oh, you say ching chang.
Ching chang, chung chang.
Oh, they think you like one here.
That's for your body.
What is that? I went to do yesterday.
It do a long time, but it's just that my color.
Yeah, I feel so. You finally use ocean.
Tattoo.
Yeah, that's well. Watch out. The more one you have. Oh, me guys say you have tattoo for me. And I say okay.
Yes, please.
And then we can go down there. Like in from yourself and out. Wait, you know what you? I want to go over there. You see the eel? Fuck your fart. Yeah. You know regular river eel look? Go down, man.
Where the cat? What do you want to eat?
The biggest eel you never seen in a river. And I've been in the river. You know, dude. Still. Alright, so we end up Somerset Falls since the land they're right beside it. So instead of a river.
I want impossible to write out one done one start.
What up?
Yeah, my man. One trip to go.
No? Yeah, river up somewhere. Yeah. Good price, sweet. All of them work over here, that's some capacity. Literally all of them work over here. I have a restroom. The big jerk.
What's the restroom?
The reindeer no longer over here. Indeed. So yeah. When?
Like a bomb between I'm going to
Oh.
I don't know what I'm
Fish.
and you're going.
That's why the mesh the pan is so easy to take out, but Oh, one beer can reach under this. Not logical.
We can tell things up it over it. You can't check around.
I'm going to use the black mesh instead. Not no. I'm going to get things that I'm going to do. Yeah, go for it. No, you know.
You were the one who made it run.
Okay. Yeah.
This is way longer than I remember. Normally, well, more than normally, but the last time when I reached already. I mean, if I carry the bag, I shan't leave the bag, you know. All body parts must be kept inside. Eh, all this. So you can either take a boat trip or just swim. If Danjo never starting one business, I'm more than the up the side. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look at that. Okay, no grab. I mean, there's no life there, no life.
There's a lot deep. Can you see a leg?
When you get deep. I remember if August I just to the boat. I will get this one. Good, touch it down back. Hey, last time over this morning. Oh, guess what? The carry up under the falls. Guess what? They normally carry up under the falls. Yeah, well, you know, said to the falls. Wanna go for the falls? Wanna go for the falls? So we can go back somewhere else to find something. They make up my mind. Might have slide off. Wait, one of them, I say, that not Nike. Eh? You want to line up, Mr. Brother? I line them up there. Yeah. Why not all no do line? Of course. Me. So I don't know where line for. DJ. Dale foot. Eh. That boy no come back. I want to change room there. Oh, parrot. What one? What? What is it? Hello.
Hello. The previous
What's up?
Wagwan.
Hello.
Hi.
Hey. Hello.
Posty. Funny from the angle of you.
How we are look up on that? Hey. So you know him on a pretty time. See what's here. Alright, we need to dry off, you know. I don't know if it's there. Hello?
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 I went to go back.
That's him. A freak.
Sick freak.
What's his tongue? In the sunshine better. The girl goes such a. But you don't like it.
Oh, what is that? Hey, we have more. Come on. More on this one. More fitting zoo items. Item. Animals.
If you come, that area, just for that area. I mean, I come to the land.
She don't want the island, she just want to swim till in dead. Hold on. What pass it? What pass it? I don't decide it. What the people them did there? I don't decide it. Plus the changing room, I don't decide it. So come on.
What the side?
Yeah. No, to find a software that can take out. No, yeah. Well, I don't mind if I have more alcohol. The pigeon zoo. Are there bees over here? Oh, they have a rabbit. Well spread out. I'm busy. That's all.
That's all. Eating. I guess they don't know if they're again.
The one that are inside, I don't know. But they want to make this out up on top of the thing. No. Yeah, man, nice here around everything. He don't look away. He don't look away. I want the place today. Because the place are nice. One more change. Eh? I don't know. It's a restroom. I don't know where changing. I guess I can change inside, right? I can change inside, no? Let's see. I'm not really a fan of the bathroom, but no, it's not the camera, it's the glass. See? Alright, so yeah, can change here. Oh, might as well just get Brianna to come change too. Same time. Brianna, how you doing? When you done coming at the man park for change? Alright, stay ready then. Alright. Well, it was worth the $1,000 miss. Look, that was a discount, family discount. So, let me go. Oh, wait. Can this close? This bit. Alright, we'll try a different one. Let's get that fixed. But it's only get darker. But then it's a bit creepy. This one don't close either. So you know what? I'm just gonna go to the brighter side. Oh, my speaker. Cover it, but I need to glue this down. I can't take this, man. You ready? Go another one then. I need to glue down my speaker if I can, but no, I just think so. That would have done already. Oh. Alright. I'll leave you now. I think we can visit DJ them. Last. Don't know. They're up there or somewhere. Probably. Let's see. You see somebody in a hat? Oh yeah, see him sit down there. In the green What, swing? Alright. Oh. A water. You should find soup. Plan or regret it. And the car is on. No one's in it. But, yeah.
It's a real Portland soup this we do with spring water. They make you use chlorine water. They use chlorine water. Look, he looks so wild.
Like this.
This is why this is there.
That is why what there? Who?
Yeah?
What is it? That is why what's there? Get one next. Get one next part. And then you need one spoon.
Yeah, one spoon better.
Oh, come on.
You still have high blood pressure.
Watch out. You can still see them going up. Come on, sit down. Alright, I'm going in that car. Come on. The car on. Sure. No? After Kingston.
The spring water he was making.
Yeah, man. And no salt. High top.
I got to see what I use. So, what is enough syrup right time hot?
Bro. You know, we animal and drop.
Enough fresh.
Enough fresh.
Brenda, you want to drink
He
this?
does not know Maggie.
Drink this.
Shampoo.
Spicy though.
It's spicy. I want the money.
Kind of spicy, but you.
No, sir.
Yes.
I want a pumpkin. I'm going to play with pumpkin.
Then think. Me have to cut my bread come out.
It's
They want to
normally green.
now.
No, so come out for them side before them come in. I want it.
When you go in, they come out long time.
My goodness.
Mommy, me say, you shouldn't do that. TJ go up on the slide. Let J brother. Fling him. Every time he fly, it's
Yeah, we
sheer
pull it.
slide part.
Okay.
Me say.
I see you. Damn.
I think I saw your drive go to
Oh, I not go back through that.
The bad road. Yeah, I just saw the bad road.
I not drive back there. So.
About 3-4 hours take for you. Just because. Drink him, man.
It hard for me.
It's a million times I have to live. A million times. Oh, that was not heard on your family.
I'll be without. RBR. No, that pass. See the pass. What do you want to run as